Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into trucks, especially ones that bring both power and style, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the all-new 2025 Ram pickup. Whether you're in the market for a new ride or just a truck enthusiast, you're going to want to stick around for this one. The 2025 Ram pickup is taking the truck world by storm. Ram has really upped the ante with this one, and today we're breaking down everything you need to know about the new model, from design changes to tech updates, performance upgrades, and what it means for truck lovers everywhere. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Ram pickup continues to build on that. Notice the new grille design with a more aggressive, angular shape, but there are some Ram has also updated the headlights that make it stand out even more. LED elements, giving the truck a more modern, high-tech look. The body is still that heavy-duty, rugged design, but it's refined with improved aerodynamics for better efficiency and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram offers a variety of powertrain options, including new hybrid models. That's right, Ram is embracing more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly options without sacrificing power. Whether you're looking for the tried and true 5.7-liter HEMI V8 or the new turbocharged inline 6, you've got plenty of options to choose from. Now, let's talk about the interior. Ram has always been known for its luxurious, driver-centric cabins, and the 2025 model takes it even further. With a massive 12-inch digital display, the 2025 Ram features an all-new Uconnect 5 system, which is faster, more intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, the materials used inside are Ram still knows how to make a workhorse. Premium leather and real wood accents available in higher trims, with an innovative multifunction tailgate, making loading and unloading easier than ever. You'll also find more storage options in the cabin and bed, which means this truck is as functional as it is powerful. Speaking of power, towing capacity is another area where Ram shines. The 2025 Ram 1500 can tow up to 12,750 pounds, depending on the configuration. So whether you're hauling your boat to the lake or towing heavy equipment for work, you've got the muscle to get it done. One more thing to note about the 2025 Ram pickup: it's packed with new safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even an available night vision camera. Ram is making sure that while you're out there getting the job done, you're as safe as possible. And with a new 360-degree camera system, parking this beast has never been easier. So what's the verdict even if you're in the 2025 Ram pickup? Whether you're a weekend warrior or need a reliable truck for everyday work, this model checks all the boxes. It's tough, smart, and loaded with features that will make your driving experience better than ever. With its updated design, powerhouse performance, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Ram is setting a new standard for pickups. What do you think? Are you excited for the new Ram? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to give us a like and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.